Hey, this is going to be one of the shortest videos I've ever done, but it's a customer testimonial. Nothing says it better than a customer, right? And before I give you the testimonial, which is right here, it's going to be short, I'm going to tell you what security starts with, okay? Just so you know. Not necessarily this brand, but security starts with self-defense. It starts with protecting yourself. Don't let some security company come tell you the police are going to show up fast enough, the fire department's going to show up fast enough. Don't let somebody come sell you on fear-mongering. That is not what needs to happen. You got to be prepared in more ways than one. But after being in business 20 years, we get a lot of these. I don't share them, but I was encouraged to share them. This is from a customer that it's about a 4-month project, large company, we'll just call it a company. And anyway, I'm gonna have to leave a few things out, but this is what he wrote to me Tuesday of this week. Hey, just wanted to let you know the blank bars, one on DeMonry and one on Broadway in Nashville, said they were looking for a new security camera company. I pulled out my laptop, showed them the schools and the app, and they asked for your number and said it's exactly what they're looking for. They're talking to me and so currently about taking over their physical security at both bars. Of course, the manager is going to give your number to the regional manager who's doing all the security upgrades. His name is blah. They have a couple cameras already, but they want to switch over and do a full upgrade. They really like the video quality, sensors, the doors, cameras, auto motion sensors, being able to do everything through the app, especially giving employees access to stuff and monitoring them, just so you know. We've been trying to tell everybody for a long time, and it's really hard because some of these big marketing companies, these big security companies just kind of stick this down your throat. Hey, it's our name brand. Hey, it's us. Be encouraged. There's options besides Brinks, ADT, and some other no-name companies that are out there that I won't name. Not no-name, companies I won't name. We've been doing unified messaging and unified security for a long time. Now we just added fleet tracking. So if you have, let's say you own a pizza joint and you do pizza delivery and you got 5 cars and you want to keep a track on your delivery folks, or you're a Molly Maid service and you got 25 cars, and not only do you want to keep the place locked at night, but you want to track your fleet, we can do all that for you. One app, one place to go to, and without a bunch of corporate sales stuff. We don't do that. And by the way, we are in Tennessee. We service all of the US and Canada, some of South America. We're the only security company in the US where you get other things at wholesale cost if you're a customer. We believe, honestly, we believe in you taking care of yourself. Defend yourself. Don't get into a long-term contract. Believe our customers. We really honestly try to do probably a better job than anyone else cares about. We make up, we screw up, we make mistakes, but we fix them. Those kind of things happen. Hey, please like and subscribe. Your input, your questions, and you liking and subscribing means a world to us. It's really hard to keep doing these videos. They take a long time to do. Hey, thank you very much.